Welcome to the Weather Centre on Friday, where the morning starts off with some fog along the south coast as well as along the northeastern escarpment, and we're expecting morning drizzle over parts of Mpumalanga, Limpopo and KwaZulu-Natal. A bit of cloud remains in the forecast over the northeastern and eastern parts into Friday afternoon, with isolated thundershowers and showers forming over the central and southeastern part of the country in the second part of the day. Fine and warm as we head towards the northwest. They're fine and dry day over the western and southern part of the country. Our rainfall probability map shows that light morning drizzle over parts of Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal and Limpopo, with up to a 40% chance of thundershowers and showers from the southeastern part of the Northern Cape all the way through to the coast, possibly reaching East London on Friday night. There's also the possibility of a light dusting of snowfall for the Lesotho mountaintops as well as the surrounding mountaintops of the Eastern Cape. In the northeast, you'll see maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-20s for Pretoria as well as throughout the northwest. 22 for Johannesburg and Polokwane, 21 for Bombela and Ermelo, 20 degrees on the dot for Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, 25 with a warm afternoon for Welkom, 24 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, but with temperatures remaining cool throughout the Eastern Cape with highs mainly in the upper teens. It'll be a mild Friday with a moderate to fresh northeasterly wind along the coast between Richards Bay and East London, with more of a moderate easterly wind and a cool day for Port Elizabeth at 17. Along the east coast, we can expect a 2-metre southerly swell. Highs remain in the teens over the interior parts of the western and eastern Cape. 20 degrees for Oudtshoorn, 24 as we head towards Vredendal. A moderate southeasterly wind is forecast for Muizenberg at 17, with a light to moderate east-southeasterly wind from Hermanus all the way through to Jeffreys Bay. We're expecting highs mainly in the teens here, with a 2.5-metre south-southwesterly swell along the south coast. It'll be a warm Friday afternoon for Uppington at 28 degrees, Kimberley at 24, but with that cold weather continuing over the western and southern part of the province, with maximum temperatures peaking in the middle and upper teens. 18 degrees for Alexander Bay with a moderate westerly wind. Southwesterly winds are forecast for Lambert's Bay at 17, with another cool day for Cape Town and Langebaan, both in the upper teens, with a moderate south-southeasterly wind, and along the west coast we'll see a 2-metre southwesterly swell. It'll be a hot Saturday over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld, fine and mild for Gauteng, with temperatures already cooling off over the western and southern part of the country ahead of a large cold front on Saturday night. We'll see quite a bit of prefrontal rain for Cape Town with a cloudy day and a high of 14 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Friday.